Today in crypto. 2020 was the most important year for the crypto derivatives market so far. Both Bitcoin, BTC, and Ether, ETH, derivatives steadily grew throughout the year, with their futures and options products available across exchanges such as the Chicago Mercantile Exchange, OKEx, Deribit and Binance. On December 31, Bitcoin options open interest reached an all-time high of $6.8 billion, which is 3 times the OI seen 100 days before that, signifying the speed at which the crypto derivatives market is growing amid this bull run. Continue reading on Coin Telegraph. Beyond technical analysis, the cryptocurrency industry thrives on news and speculations. For instance, the price of Ripple fell by over 50% following the U.S. SEC's official lawsuit. Similarly, Dogecoin jumped by 20% following a tweet from Tesla's CEO, Elon Musk. That being said, crypto investors need to regularly check prominent news sites for the latest happenings in the industry. Considering the fact that there are thousands of crypto news sites, keeping track on what is happening can become quite cumbersome. Coinbench is a crypto news and data aggregate site that solves this problem. The Amsterdam-based firm allows its users to keep track on latest crypto news from a single page. Users are allowed to create their own crypto news feed from over 300 sources, whilst tracking the prices of more than 1,500 coins. According to its website, our primary focus is to provide users a better crypto journey. Meanwhile, our esteemed readers can now follow us Coinbench. Simply sign up on the platform, search for BTC peers, and then click the follow icon. Bitcoin, BTC, crashing to $27,700 and rebounding seconds later was a shock for some and financial ruin for others, data shows. According to on-chain analytics resource Glassnode, futures traders with long positions lost a total of $190 million on Binance alone in a single hour, the most in history. Continue reading on Coin Telegraph. Julian Assange's extradition to U.S. blocked over mental health concerns. A judge at the UK's Central Criminal Court ruled Monday that there would be a high risk of suicide if Assange was sent to face charges in the U.S. XRP investors don't want to have their holdings lumped in with Ripple's. Several investors in XRP have filed with the Rhode Island court, looking to change the course of the Securities and Exchange Commission's case against Ripple. In response to what it calls the most significant SEC enforcement action in modern history, the Friday filing is a petition for a writ of mandamus. A mandamus is effectively just an order that a public official, in this case, the chairman of the SEC, does their job. The filers are calling upon new acting chairman Elad Royasman to alter the course that his predecessor, Jake Layton, set by beginning enforcement against Ripple just before his departure. The petitioners argue that the SEC's action operates in defiance of its statutory mandate to protect investors. Strangely, the XRP investors have filed their case in Rhode Island, while the Ripple case is happening in the Southern District of New York. The SEC initially filed its case against Ripple on December 22 following many months of investigation into Ripple's long-standing sale of XRP, which began in 2013. The petition from investors takes issue with the SEC's time frame in filing this action and further looks to set up a contrast between Ripple's XRP and that owned by investors. The use of an apostrophe rather than a comma, while accidental, is in its own way telling. The ultimate aim of the petition is to get the court to order the SEC to amend its complaint against Ripple to exclude the claim that the XPR owned by petitioners constitute securities. Such a change, while no help to Ripple, would in theory allow the investors to go back to trading their holdings freely. Anyone holding any of XRP's circulating supply knows that the SEC's definition has wrecked their bottom line. XRP's value has collapsed since the SEC began its enforcement. Many exchanges have announced that they are suspending or delisting XRP, which has led to a liquidity crisis for holders. This is despite Ripple founder Brad Garlinghouse's assurances that the token would be fine in the event of such an action. Hit the like button and subscribe to the channel.